Great to see you again at Mobile World Congress for our annual catch-up. Really like to know what's the hot thing going on with AsiaInfo at the moment.
Perhaps the hottest thing for us here at the show is our Veris Cloud Core system, which we announced recently. So this is our entire Veris BSS suite deployed in public cloud with Amazon. So when I mean the suite, I mean it's the entire billing, CRM, analytics suite, including all of the capabilities for the agents in the call centers and retail stores, the end customer front-end channels, the web self-care, e-shop, mobile self-service, as well as the back-office applications, core CRM, product catalog, billing, and the real-time intelligence and analytics. So all of this suite we've pre-integrated, deployed it ready to go with Amazon.
Well, it's extremely exciting. What's the driver for this?
The primary reason we've done this is to enable us to do IT transformation projects much more quickly. So, of course, we continue to offer the traditional approach where we deploy on-premise, we deploy different modules from our solution and integrate to the existing environment, and we customize if necessary. But that inevitably is a slow process, and we want to be able to do IT transformation faster. So we offer the same software suite in two different deployment models. What we call Agile Core, the original approach, emphasizing the flexibility and customizability, but also the new Cloud Core approach, which emphasizes speed.
I've been in, it sounds fantastic, right? But I've been in discussions with CIOs that really doubt that they can ever put their BSS into the cloud. What would you have to say to that?
We know that operators are concerned about issues such as data security and privacy in the public cloud with their customer data. There's other issues to do with concerns about network latency between the cloud and their own data centers. But all of these issues, firstly, are solvable. Together with Amazon, we have worked these out. We have a strategic partnership with Amazon Web Services, which has enabled us to work through all of these issues and come up with very good answers. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that everyone's going to be convinced straight away. It's up to us to prove that. But I think as well as the fact that there's some skepticism about whether it's possible, there's also a lot of optimism about whether it's desirable. You can radically change the economics of a telco IT operation in this way, both in terms of the infrastructure costs with Amazon and also our commercial model with a full SaaS-based approach, pay as you grow. So desirability is not in question. But whether it can be really done is something we believe is the case, and something that now our mission is to convince our customers of those benefits and the practical reality.
Okay, in my mind, I would have is the other challenge. In fact, putting any new BSS suite in, or component of a BSS suite, its integration into the existing infrastructure. How do you approach that?
Well, parts of the integration are fairly standard and straightforward towards network for chargeable events, towards financial systems, towards logistics systems and so on. That's pretty standardized. What's really complex in an IT transformation project is integration between different CRM, billing, and product catalog. So if the data models are different, if the business processes and concepts are different, you can end up with a lot of disconnects which require customization to solve it. And then you're setting up a lot of maintenance and slowness in the future. So for that reason, with the Cloud Core approach, because we're emphasizing speed, we're insisting on the pre-integrated full suite. And that means we can do everything you'd need for your core business for running a telecoms operation through configuration, not customization.
Okay, very exciting. I really look forward to having a conversation about your first implementation.
Thanks very much indeed, Mike. I'm sure it'll be sooner than they think.